Hi, I'm Ruth Werner, and it is my very great pleasure to spend a little time with all of the presenters for this year's 2021 Virtual Education Congress presented by the Alliance for Massage Therapy Education. And today I am very pleased to bring you my friend Megan Donnelly, who with her co-presenter, Sakina Irizarry, will be bringing us an incredibly important presentation called In Every Class, Antiracism Equity in Massage Education. So Megan, would you like to introduce yourself and tell us just a little bit about who you are?
Yeah, sure. I either go by Megan or Meg. I'm Meg Donnelly. I am a licensed massage therapist in Virginia. I also have my personal training certification. I am a recent educator, and I own Nova Weekend Warriors, which is a massage studio and movement studio here in Northern Virginia.
Wonderful. Thanks very much. And I had the honor of visiting one of your classes that you are currently teaching, and that was a treat. So Meg, you and Sakina have undertaken this topic, anti-racism and equity in massage education. Would you give us just a quick thumbnail sketch about why every massage therapy educator and education administrator needs to be part of this presentation?
Yeah, absolutely. Ruth, first of all, thank you so much for having me on to kind of give a little bit of an overview. I really appreciate it. Sakina and I both do. The massage profession has some work to do, as do many professions when it comes to anti-racism and equity. We have fought over the past few years, to say the least, to get a little bit more equity in terms of gender, women versus men. And so we know in the massage profession, we are 80% women, or we were, right? And we also have to keep in mind in that regard, that's when we were only asking the question of women and men, and we were excluding a large population. But when we look at education on continuing education, and when we look at conferences, we actually were finding that that was reversed. Right? So now what we really need to look at, or what we should have been looking at all the way along as well, is not just that gap in equity when it comes to gender, but that gap in many other areas as well. And so what we really wanted to do was kind of focus on in all of education, not just in our conferences, not just in our continuing education, but also in our classroom right from the beginning. How can we make anti-racism and equity a part of every class? And so we are really good about putting things in silos sometimes. And so, I have, along with Sakina, we have a course on anti-racism initiatives in massage. And, that course is actually siloed, right? Where we are really kind of pinpointing to talk about that. But what we really should be doing is, as we are going through our existing rubrics, our existing plans, incorporating anti-racism and equity into every class. And so that is what our class actually seeks to do, give everyone the tools of how you can do that in a immediate way and a accessible way.
Meg, that sounds amazing. I absolutely can't wait to hear you and Sakina speak. I will be doing another one of these little interviews with Sakina later. And I think that what you will bring to the Alliance meeting will really deepen our experience of what being healthcare providers really is. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Ruth. It was my pleasure, and I look forward to seeing everyone in July.
Thanks.